Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Woke Christiana, Digital Hub Worldwide. So today we are going to be showing you how we integrated our WordPress website into Google Analytics 4. You want to create a GA4 account. After creating a GA4 account, this is how your interface is going to look like. So the next thing you want to do is to go to your admin. When you go to the settings, go to admin. When you go to the admin settings, go to your admin, then you click on create to create an account in GA4. So the name of my website is Cozy Lifestyle. I created a website using WordPress, Cozy Lifestyle blog, talking about all fashion things, about all lifestyles and all fashion things, just like a free website, a normal website. So I want to name my account now. I'm going to name it Cozy Lifestyle website because it's a website and I'm integrating a website into GA4. So when that is done, I click on Google Products. You tick on Google Products, tick on modeling contributions and everything tickable. So after that, you need to go to the next one, which is property creation. Here you're going to create how or what you want the GA4 to do for you. Just follow through with whatever I'm doing here. So you scroll down, modeling contribution tick, technical support tick, recommendations for business tick. You click on the next. Well, this is just a recorded session. I've done everything, so I'm just trying to go through and show you all I did while creating an account or while integrating GA4 into, or while integrating my website into GA4. So we are now in the property details. So what you need to do now, you need to create your property name. So I name my property as my website because I'm actually integrating a website. So reporting time zones, you need to change it to Nigeria because the website was created in Nigeria. So the next is going over to the business details. So they're asking the category of your business. Is it arts and entertainment, auto vehicles? So you select one based on the type of websites you're creating. So okay, we are looking for a category where our business is. So let's just choose as arts and entertainment. Okay, so business size, they're asking us if our business is a 1 to 10 employee. Definitely is a small website, so we don't have enough employees, just I and the developer. So let's just put small business 1 to 10. So we click on next. So the next one now has to do with business objective. So now let's choose our business objective. Do we want to generate leads, drive sales, understand web or app traffic, or view user engagement and retention? So definitely we want all these things. So we'll just tick on all the options. Generate lead, tick. So let's tick on all this. View users engagement. Understand web, app, and app traffic. Okay, but maximum of 2 objective is recommended. So we just have 2 objective to tick on. So let's understand web or app traffic. So that's what we want to do. We want to track users' activities on our website. So we'll go to the next. When we are done with this, go to the next. So what this understanding web app is, measure your website or app visitors and the channels that drive their visit. So we click on create when we are done with these 2. But these 2 are the major ones I believe you should take. So you click on create. So the next one now is the data collection process. Click on create. So that this is the Google Analytics terms of service agreement. So you just agree to their terms and policies. So we change the region to Nigeria because we're in Nigeria. Let's start with the capital. Let's find the capital letter. Yes, good. Accept the data processing terms are required by GDPR. Accept. I think that's all for now. Accept. Now we are done with creating an account in GA4. So now what the next step is now is trying to collect data. Trying to collect data. Now we want GA4 to be able to collect this data from our website. So how can we do it? Is it a web app or an Android app or an iOS app? So definitely it's a web app. So we just click on web. Now, this data process can be very tricky. So now what is required now is your website URL. So it's going to need for you to go to your website, copy your website URL and paste it on this place. And actually give it a name. You can choose any name of your choice, but this is the name I use for this is the name of my website. I'm just going to type in the name of my website. Good. And create an account. Create and continue. Start collecting data. Data collection. So then we are in the next part of um, generating or creating our or GA4 account. Google Lifestyle blog. Yes. So now they say data collection isn't active for your website. If you installed tags more than 48 hours ago, make sure they are set up correctly. So now this is where we'll come in our next part. Now our data collection is pending. So now what we need to do now, we need to go to our WordPress account. Now, when these are WordPress accounts, we go to the plugins and we add plugins. When we get to plugins, now we search for looking for search for Sitekit by Google Analytics Search Console. This is what we are actually looking for. So now we're going to install it and update it in our WordPress before we can be able to connect it. Sitekit, yes, we've installed it and we've updated it. Now it appears here. So what we are trying to do now, we are checking compatibility. Sign in with Google. Choose an account for the Sitekit. You can choose any account of your choice and select all of these. Continue. Have Google verify your site ownership. So I'm trying to verify the owner of this site because I'm using a website that's not mine. So I'm trying to see if there's a way I can go around it for them to give me an authority over their website because I'm inside their WordPress. Remember I said the account is being created with WordPress. Allow. So definitely your own might turn out to be like this or your own might not turn out to be, but in case your own turn out to be like this, there's a way around it. If you are having, reach out to me and I'll guide you on what to do and how to go around it. So I'm trying to set up Search Console. So definitely your own might turn out to be like this or your own might not turn out to be, but in case your own turn out to be like this, there's a way around it. If you are having, reach out to me and I'll guide you on what to do and how to go around it. So I'm trying to set up Search Console. Congratulations, you see that I've done it. Yeah, I had to reach out to the developer to make me an admin for the WordPress. So after doing that, they sent me an email. I didn't show you, they sent me an email of confirmation. So that's how I was able to have authority over this WordPress account, or this WordPress website. Congrats on completing the setup for SiteCase. You've seen it. So after doing that, okay, I think the request was not approved. I will still need to do the same thing I did before. If you are not the owner of the website or you don't have authority over the website, you can actually reach out to the dev team and ask them to grant you access into the website using this your Gmail account. Now we see that we've done that. Now after doing that, we are back to our GA4. Now we can see that it's tracking everything on our website and everything that is happening on our website. In order to be sure if this is happening correctly or if this is going on correctly, you just need to go over to the website with another account, use another web account, another Google account, and go over to the website, do some things on the website, and then come over to check if it is actually tracking. So this is inside. We are in Google Search Console now. We can see that it is tracking properly, but this is the overview. This is the performance in Google Search Console now. We can see that it is tracking properly, but this is the overview. This is the performance, movements of our website, and everything. So we have 14 active users, 14 new users, 28 seconds average engagement time by active users. If you scroll over, we can see everything here. It's showing on the location where these users are actually logging into our website. You can see the highest location here is United States, followed by Germany, followed by Nigeria, followed by China, followed by South Africa, and the rest. This is also showing us the user activity over time. And these users are coming in 1 week after the other. It's also showing us the events. You can go over and start checking anything you want to see on your website and everything happening on your website. Yeah, it's checking now. This is a traffic acquisition. It's checking how these users are actually coming in from my website. Are they coming in directly or they are coming in through a referral link? So definitely, if you publish or you did a advert for your website, another advert, definitely going to show you where these users are actually coming from. It also can show you week time overview. If a user is instantly checking on your website, it's going to pop up here. So that's all for our. It also can show you week time overview. If a user is instantly checking on your website, it's going to pop up here. So that's all for our J4 integration. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Christina Woke or DigiHub, which is also Digital Hub Worldwide. We are also going to be giving you more insights on how you can do integration and how you can use Excel with your laptop and with your phone. Thank you very much. I still remain Tiana.